Good morning to one and all. Now we are going for rule number 3. What is that rule? Power rule. What is power rule over here? The logarithmic form of a power rule is the product of the given power and given logarithmic term. So I am going to write the definition of power rule over here once you observe. So rule number 3, that is what? Power rule. Power rule. The logarithmic form of a power rule is the product of given power and given logarithmic term. What is that power rule? The logarithmic form of a power rule is the product of given power and the given logarithmic term. That is what if log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a. This is the power rule. So now I am going to explain the proof of power rule over here. What is proof over here? N into log x base a we have to prove. So first, now to prove log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a. Let us take, I am going to take over here, let this log x base a I am going to take it as m. Let log x base a is equal to m. Here this is in the form of logarithmic form, so I am going to write exponential form. So this one I am going to take it as equation number 1, convert equation number 1 into exponential form. Exponential form. Why should I convert it to exponential form? Because it is in the logarithmic form. So how can we write this is? Therefore x is equal to a power m. This one I am going to write equation number 2, where here since by the definition of logarithm, if a power x is equal to n, then what will happen? X is equal to log n base a. When we are observing equation number 1 and this one, here x is equal to log n base a is there, here it is also logarithmic form is there. Here this one I am going to write into exponential form. Then after this equation number 2 I am raising to n power n. Raise equation number 2 to the power n. To the power n means what? We have to write power n. X power n is equal to a power m whole power n. So it is one of the formula in lower classes. So once you observe over here, this one I am going to write in the form of x power n is equal to a power mn. So this one I am going to take equation number 3. Since we have one formula x power m whole power n is equal to x power mn. So here equation number 3 again it is in the form of exponential. This one I am going to write in the form of logarithmic form. So convert equation number 3 into logarithmic form. So how can we convert this is using definition of the logarithm. So how can we write, what is the definition of logarithm here? If a power x is equal to n implies x is equal to log n base a. Here when you are observing here, x power n is nothing but n, a power x is nothing but mn. So mn is equal to log x power n base a. So here by the definition of logarithm. So that is what here, if a power x is equal to n, then x is equal to log n base a. By this definition I used over here. Again I am going to write here overall log x power n base a is equal to mn. After getting this one, I am going to write from equation number 1, once you observe, we have m value log x base a is there. What is there? M value is what is there? Log x base a. So instead of m, I am going to write the value of m over here. So now, once you observe over here, log x power n base a is equal to n, I am going to write over here. So instead of m, what I am going to write? Log x base a. Log x base a. So where did we write here? From equation number 1. So when we are observing this one, so what we have to prove here? Log x power n base a is equal to n into log x base a. Once you observe here, log x power n base a is equal to n into log x base a. So what we have to prove? That we proved over here. This rule we are going to call it as power rule under logarithms. Okay children. So log x power n base a is equal to n into log x base a. So hence proved. Thank you.